Hello, home decor enthusiasts. Welcome back to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel. Today we have something truly special for you. Home decor wall treatment designs that will revamp your space and bring your walls to life. From subtle essence to bold statements, we have gathered the most creative and inspiring ideas to suit every style and taste. Let's dive in and discover how to transform your walls into the works of art. Make a statement with essence walls that command attention. We will explore different colors, textures, and patterns that add drama and focal points to any room instantly, elevating your decor. Add depth and dimension to your walls with texture treatments. Discover techniques like stucco, shiplap, and false brick that bring tactile appeal and visual interest to your living spaces. Wallpapers are back in style and better than ever. We'll showcase a variety of modern, artistic, and botanical wallpapers that effortlessly transform your walls into captivating art pieces. Turn your walls into a gallery of memories and inspiration. We will share tips on how to curate and display artwork, photographs, and decor items to create a personalized and visually striking gallery wall. Unlock your imagination with wall decals and murals. You'll explore designs that add a touch of OMC and fantasy, transporting your rooms to magical worlds. Bring a touch of classic elegance to your walls with wainscoting. Will guide you through different styles, from beadboard to raised panel, that add timeless charm to any interior. Embrace contemporary style with geometric patterns. Discover how to use shapes, lines, and angles to create visually stunning wall designs that add a modern edge to your decor. Bring the outdoors inside with nature inspired wall art. We'll explore botanical paints, nature murals, and organic wall hangings that infuse your spaces with tranquility and beauty. And there you have it, a treasure trove of home decor wall treatment designs to ignite your creativity. Whether you prefer bold statements, subtle textures, and artful arrangements, these ideas will help you transform your walls into captivating masterpieces. Because there is a collection of almost 100 plus latest designs for your wall decoration. So please comment your favorite design that you selected from this collection, and if you loved this video, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, because this channel is specially for you to add the beauty to your homes, in your living rooms, for interior designs. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Latest Decor Ideas. Thanks for watching the complete video, and happy decorating, because decoration should be friendly, should be attractive, and ideas and tips we will share for you, and brings modern ideas that will attract your relatives, audience, fellows to your home. Thank you.